Goodbye to the Disneyland Hotel.
I haven't looked at it yet.
We're not buying.
We can do it on the way out if you want.
Hotel.
Not our hotel. This pink building's another hotel. It's a different one. It's called the Disneyland Hotel.
Oh, bye. Bye-bye.
We're going to have a sneaky look in the Disneyland Hotel. Just because we're nosy more than anything.
Es lo que dije, ahorita voy a sacar mi celular, voy a poner alerta de los cabrones y ya llego, puta, me llaman los cabrones.
No.
Wow. If you wanna. What time yet?
Two? One?
Two, I guess. And just as rooms. This is a very fancy place. Oh, look at the mirror. Oh, this is the bridge. No. Pardon, hands now. That's it, no. You can let go when we leave the hotel, okay? Boutique. That's what we're looking for. Sounds like Darth Vader's about somewhere. Rachel, do you want to dress for just €2,000? Noah, hold your hands. Noah, have a look at me. That's cool. Disney and Marc Jacobs.
Lots different here. Exclusive to thingy though.
Yeah. I really like to see that red jumper of Mickey Mouse on it there.
Nice.
Disney and Marc Jacobs. So it's probably about £100.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Think about that. Love that bag.
That is nice.
No, would you like to please don't call me.
36.
No,
Wow. restaurant.
that balloon's stuck up there. Isn't it, Daddy?
Oh, it is. You're right.
Get it down from there.
They will. Huge. Oh, you know what? But we've done good there because we walked around that shop and you found that you wanted a cuddly Pluto, didn't you? Yeah.
I was trying to look for spoon button, but I wasn't.
So that means that we've got the idea of a Pluto. We need to find a Pluto. We now just need to go to another shop and find a cuddly smaller Pluto. Yeah.